For newest desktops and notebooks with AMD graphics card, which have installed Windows 10 or Windows 11, the video card driver could be a problem. Even if you have installed the driver from the website www.amd.com, the Windows updates with video driver from manufacturers are automatically downloaded and installed and inactivate Radeon software. So, when you click on Radeon software icon, appear a warning window. Who said that this version of AMD driver is not compatible with Windows? Click Start icon. Type Device Manager. Choose this option. Click on Display Adapter, AMD Radeon Graphics. Click right on mouse. Choose Properties. Choose Driver. Click Rollback Driver. Select My apps don't work with this driver. Click Yes. And OK. Wait for rollback driver. Sometimes you should restart the computer for complete rollback driver. Now, when you do click Radeon software icon, you will observe that this app is working. If you want, in the future, Windows 10 or 11 do not automatically install drivers from manufacturers' applications, do so. Click Start. Write System Properties Advanced.exe. Click Hardware. Click Device Installation Settings. Select No, your device might not work as expected. Click Save Changes. Then click OK.